Hey YouTube, so we're doing another video. I just got back from Montreal. I did like a massive shopping spree there for Pokemon and figures. One of the sets I got, it did get a bit crushed traveling back, but it is the Pokemon Select set. So this one is, what's it called, Trubbish and Magnemite, but this one also comes with like a full house diorama, which is really cool. Only $17 for this whole set, which is pretty cool because I bought a lot of the select figures on their own here, and the select figures for one of them is $10. So $16.99, $17 for a whole set is pretty cool. The box got a bit crushed traveling back, but I'm going to open it up now and we can take a look at it. So first thing, it comes with this really cool diorama, which I cannot believe all of this was included for $17. This is not like a cheaply made thing. The detail on this, like the quality and all that is incredible. This should be like a $50 set. This is really nice. Like it's like a full little house. It's thick, like it's not like paper thin or anything. Like this, like the pillar and all that is solid. This is really cool. So here's the house. One of my favorites from Pokemon Go, Magnemite. The screws on this look really cool. I've never had a figure of him before, so that's really neat. And the reason I bought this package is Trubbish. I've always thought Trubbish is just such a cute little Pokemon, and I've never seen Trubbish as a figure or a plushie or anything, so I saw this, I had to get it. I bought this one in Montreal. I also bought with it Giraffe. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I bought the Pokemon Select of that one, as well as Nincada. So I bought, like that day I spent like $200 or $300 on collectibles. So I got two select figures, this set, and then a bunch of Transformers and other stuff. But as for Pokemon, 4 in one day is pretty good. So before this, the last Pokemon Select I got was Porygon, my favorite banned Pokemon. But now I got this one joining the party, so if you want to see other Pokemon videos, check out the playlist on my channel.